Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying the tablet's output capability. This determines the physical method. If it has USB-C with DisplayPort Alt mode or an HDMI/MHL port, pick the matching adapter now. Connect a stable power source to prevent shutdowns while testing. Install the display app or driver before you plug in cables so the tablet accepts external video. Once done, enable developer options if required and allow USB debugging or display permissions. This avoids driver. Now make the physical connection. Plug the adapter into the tablet, then run HDMI to the video source or use a USB display cable to a PC. Power the tablet and open the display app. You'll typically select the incoming signal or enable USB display mode. Adjust resolution and scaling to match the tablet's panel so image is sharp and not stretched. If you want touch input to control the source, enable input forwarding or a companion driver. This ties touch coordinates to the host machine accurately. Finish by mounting the tablet in a stable stand and tidying cables. Make sure sleep is disabled to keep the display active. If you see no picture, check the adapter compatibility first and swap HDMI cables or ports. Many failures are simple cable or mode mismatches. Restart both devices and reopen the display app, because permissions and drivers often only load after reboot. If problems persist, test with a different source to determine whether the tablet adapter or source is at fault. This narrows the fix quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.